Two giants in cloud accounting go head to head. One big question: which one actually makes business easier? On one side, we have Xero, known for its intuitive interface and global reach. On the other, FreshBooks, beloved for simplicity and client-friendly invoicing. We're putting them through the tests that matter most: ease of use, features, integrations, pricing, support, and more. Forget the marketing slogans. Let's see how these platforms really stack up. Each round, they'll earn points, and at the end, you'll have a clear winner for your business needs. The outcome might just surprise you. Let's get into it. So here's the lay of the land. We're going to break this down across a bunch of categories: pricing, features, how good their mobile apps are, integrations, ease of use, customer support, and of course, the actual accounting depth. Think of this like your cheat sheet for deciding between Xero and FreshBooks. Let's kick things off with pricing. Now, honestly, this one can make or break your decision, right? So with Xero, you've got a few different tiers, which is great if you plan to scale. There's even a free trial. But here's the catch: if you want those fancier things like payroll, the price does go up. FreshBooks, on the other hand, is definitely kinder to your wallet if you're solo. Simple pricing, easy to understand. The downside? If you start adding lots of clients, those prices can jump, and pretty fast too. So, in the battle of pricing, FreshBooks takes this round. Features. This is where things get, well, spicy. Xero pulls out the big guns with a fully loaded accounting suite, inventory management, multi-currency, and even project tracking. Like, if you want to run everything through there, you can. But fair warning, it can feel kind of overwhelming at first. FreshBooks? Oh, it's dreamy for invoicing, managing expenses, and keeping time. But if you need inventory, it's not really built for that, and it might not handle more complex businesses as well. For pure features, Xero definitely edges ahead here. Okay, next up, mobile apps. So how much can you get done from your phone, really? Xero gives you the basics on mobile, which is honestly pretty handy for quick invoicing or a fast check of your finances. Still, not every feature makes it onto the app, and some people want, the whole enchilada. But FreshBooks, its mobile app is actually pretty great. Most desktop features right there in your pocket, and users love it. So even if there are the occasional sync hiccups, it's a clear win for FreshBooks here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Xero actually started out in New Zealand, while FreshBooks was an accidental creation after its founder lost an invoice? Kind of wild how these stories kick off. Integrations. Or, as I like to say, making your software play nice with everything else. Xero is a beast in this category. Hundreds of integrations, from all the payment processors to CRMs to even point of sale. Plus, if you're into it, there's API access. Setup can get a little techy, but, that's just the nature of unlimited possibilities. FreshBooks plays it simpler, works with what most freelancers need, but yeah, if you want anything super advanced, you're going to bump into limits. So, Xero absolutely takes it for integrations. Ease of use. Let's be real. Nobody wants to read a manual if they can avoid it. Xero's got nice workflows and some sweet custom dashboards, but there's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're totally new to bookkeeping. FreshBooks? This is its jam. The interface is super friendly. The whole experience is made for self-employed folks who don't want to stress. That said, if you like deep customization, you might find it a bit basic. But overall, FreshBooks wins for sheer approachability. Customer support time. Xero comes packed with a ton of online resources, and if you fork out for the higher plans, you can get live chat. But on the basic plans, phone support? Yeah, not so much. Now, FreshBooks has won awards for support. Seriously, people rave about their phone, chat, and email help. Just don't try calling during tax season unless you've got snacks ready for the wait. Still, for most users, FreshBooks is more accessible. And last but not least, accounting depth. Xero really swings for the fences here. You've got double entry accounting, bank reconciliation, and even cash flow predictions. The kind of stuff real accountants drool over. Downside, you might actually need an accountant to set it all up. FreshBooks is way simpler, sticking to single entry, and that's perfect if you never want to think about any of it. But for anything beyond basic, it's a bit out of its league. Xero wins here if accounting power matters. If you map this head-to-head, the strengths are super clear. Xero goes heavy on features, integrations, and deep accounting tools. FreshBooks? Its real power is usability, mobile experience, and quick, quality support. Basically, you can see why both have their fans. So, which one should you pick? Honestly, if you see your business growing and you want that true, full-spectrum accounting, Xero is going to be hard to beat. But if you're a freelancer or you just want something simple and breezy to send out invoices and track expenses, FreshBooks is where it's at. I mean, no contest. If you found this breakdown helpful and you want more honest side-by-sides of the top software out there, hit subscribe so you never miss the next expert showdown.